Hey there, essential oil enthusiasts. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss hair growth. And guess what? We're going to explore the magical benefits of castor oil. Yep, you heard it right castor oil for hair growth. So grab a cup of herbal tea, relax, and let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's set the stage. Picture this you're standing in front of the mirror, gazing at your hair and thinking, I wish my hair would grow longer and stronger. Well, worry not, because castor oil might just be the solution you've been searching for. Now, what makes castor oil so special? It's packed with essential nutrients, fatty acids, and antioxidants that promote hair growth. Plus, it's like the superhero of oils, known for its ability to moisturize, condition, and strengthen your precious locks. Ricinoleic acid is a fatty acid and is also known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. When applied to the scalp, this magical compound helps to cleanse and nourish the hair follicles, creating a healthy environment for optimal hair growth. You see, the hair growth cycle has three phases: the anagen, which is growth phase, the catagen, which is the transitional phase, and the telogen, which is the resting phase. Castor oil comes to the rescue by extending the anagen phase, which means your hair stays in the growth phase for a longer period, resulting in longer and thicker locks. Isn't that amazing? But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into some research-backed benefits of castor oil for hair growth. Time to get our geek on. According to a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science, castor oil contains a high concentration of ricinoleic acid, which has been shown to enhance blood circulation in the scalp. When you massage the oil into your scalp, those gentle circular motions stimulate blood flow, ensuring that the hair follicles receive an increased supply of oxygen and essential nutrients. Improved circulation means more nutrients reaching your hair follicles and stimulating growth. Imagine tiny blood vessels in your scalp, carrying all the nutrients needed for healthy hair growth. Castor oil helps to widen those vessels and ensure a smooth flow of goodness to your hair roots. Talk about a nutrient-packed expressway for your strands. Another key benefit of castor oil is its superb moisturizing properties. Dry scalp can be a hindrance to hair growth, but fear not, castor oil comes to the rescue once again. We all want strong hair and resilient hair, right? Well, castor oil can help with that too. Castor oil contains essential nutrients such as vitamin E, omega fatty acids, and proteins, which penetrate deep into the hair shaft, strengthening it from within. This helps to reduce hair breakage, split ends, and brittleness, allowing your hair to grow longer without any unwanted setbacks. So how can we use castor oil to work its magic on our hair? It's actually pretty simple. You can either use it as a scalp massage oil or create a nourishing hair mask. For the scalp massage, simply warm up a small amount of castor oil and gently massage it into your scalp using circular motions. This not only stimulates hair growth, but also relaxes you too. It makes the perfect date night in with your boo too. Double win. Now, if you want to go the extra mile, let's whip up a DIY hair mask. Mix together some castor oil, coconut oil, and a few drops of lavender essential oil. Apply this mixture from your roots to the tips, leaving it on for about 30 minutes, and then wash it off. Trust me, your hair will thank you for this spa-like treatment. Next thing you know, your hair is becoming so strong it can lift dumbbells, flexing its biceps, and telling other hairs, hey, I'm not falling for your shedding tricks anymore. Strong and sassy. That's the castor oil effect. All jokes aside, castor oil truly is a superhero for your hair growth journey. It nourishes, moisturizes, stimulates, and strengthens your hair, all while giving you the extra boost of confidence. So whether you're dreaming of longer locks or simply looking to improve the health and vitality of your hair, castor oil is here to save the day. Embrace the power of castor oil and let your hair flourish like never before. Before we wrap things up, let me share a few bonus tips to make your hair growth journey even more successful. Tip 1. Be patient. Hair growth takes time, so don't expect Rapunzel's locks overnight. Enjoy the process. Tip 2. Stay consistent. Apply castor oil regularly, maybe twice a week, to maintain healthy hair growth. And tip number 3, remember to use a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner to keep your hair happy and hydrated. Castor oil is truly one of the best kept secrets to unlocking your hair growth potential. Give it some love, pamper it with some castor oil treatments, and watch it flourish like never before. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel, give it the video a like, and perhaps share it with a friend who craves beautiful hair too. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep shining and rocking those beautiful, fabulous tresses. Take care, lovelies.